boys, welcome to your new Sensory Gym. Everybody open your eyes, take a look at what we're doing.
Hi, Troy Pefferly, Fun Factory Sensory Gyms. Today I'm at the Yeshiva in Brooklyn, New York. They have done something absolutely amazing here, or beyond amazing. They have taken a vision of having a sensory gym and added the elements of an outdoor playground with all of its features and brought it indoors. Swinging, sliding, gliding, jump deck, foam cube ball pits, basketball backboards, trampolines, everything. And they've done it for all the right reasons. They've done it for the benefit of their children. There's no more winters, rainy days. They have access to the gym constantly. What they're doing is they're taking kids out of classrooms in small groups, bringing them in here, burning up energy, working on their timing, their rhythm, their balance, their coordination, hand-eye, all the important things. When kids are done in this gym, they're ready to go back into class and work.
Is this high enough or do you guys want it higher?